We believe all of us would like to have more robust broadband and wireless services within the community, especially in times of an emergency. We're thankful to have almost a dozen companies coming into the Lakeway region to address many of the issues Lakeway has been facing. This has led to several surprising discoveries. Rather than installing the intelligent infrastructure they deploy in other communities to address design aesthetics and small, low power nodes, some providers want to erect 180-foot towers that utilize high power antennas and be located next to the school. This stopgap would create a patchwork of construction, add more blight to our hill country views, and not enable any new services. It all comes down to community engagement and support. Without embracing intelligent infrastructure, we will face the nightmare that other regions have experienced with torn-up roads, damaged lines, poor service, and the overwhelming blight often seen in third-world countries. We are confident that with the collaboration of hundreds of community leaders, we can establish an ideal solution that future-proofs the region for decades. It is time for us to build a stronger and more connected Lakeway and state of Texas.